Underneath your home, the main sewer line carries every drop of waste away. Because it is buried deep underground, problems often go unnoticed until they become significant. Recognizing the subtle early warnings can save thousands of dollars in restoration costs and prevent property damage. An isolated clog in a single sink is usually a minor issue, but if multiple drains across your home are backing up simultaneously, the problem is likely in the main sewer line. This occurs when a blockage prevents wastewater from exiting the house, forcing it back up through the lowest points like floor drains or showers. Persistent, slow drainage throughout the entire house is a classic indicator of a compromised sewer line. If every sink, tub, and toilet takes longer than usual to clear, it suggests that the main line is restricted by debris, tree roots, or a partial collapse that is limiting the flow of water. A functional sewer system should be completely airtight. If you notice a distinct rotten egg or sewer gas smell inside your home or in your yard, it is a sign of a crack or opening in the line. This allows noxious fumes to escape and can pose a health risk if left unaddressed. Unexpectedly lush, green patches in your lawn can actually be a red flag. While it may look healthy, sewage acts as a potent fertilizer. If one area of your yard is significantly greener or growing faster than the rest, it often indicates a leak in the sewer line buried directly beneath it. Strange gurgling sounds coming from the toilets when you run the bathroom sink or use the washing machine suggest a venting problem or a blockage in the main line. This happens when air is trapped and forced through the standing water in your fixtures as it struggles to find a path out. In severe cases, a broken sewer line can lead to structural issues. If a leak goes undetected for long enough, the constant moisture can saturate the soil, causing the foundation to settle, or even creating visible sinkholes or indentations in your yard or driveway. Tree root intrusion is the leading cause of sewer line failure in older neighborhoods. Tiny roots find their way into small cracks or pipe joints in search of moisture. Once inside, they grow rapidly, creating a dense root ball that traps waste and eventually shatters the pipe. The material of your sewer pipe matters. Older homes often use clay or cast iron pipes, which are prone to corrosion and cracking over decades of use. Modern PVC is much more resilient, so if your home is more than 40 years old, your sewer line may simply be reaching its natural lifespan. Technology now allows for non-invasive diagnostics. A professional video camera inspection involves feeding a high-definition waterproof camera through the line to identify the exact location and nature of the problem, whether it is a simple clog, a root invasion, or a total collapse. Dealing with sewer issues requires professional expertise and advanced equipment. Black Mountain Plumbing offers comprehensive sewer line inspections, repairs, and full replacements for homeowners throughout San Diego. Our team ensures your waste management system is safe, efficient, and reliable. Contact us today for an inspection.